Then by the afternoon, we'll be in the low 90s. I just lost an earring.
Oh, you can ask for the Panther noise whenever. Ricky is the director. Yes, he's got you covered. Catitude this morning. Yes.
Patio. Granted, it's probably a hot and humid Rio rally.
I'm shimmying with you, Sarah, right now.
It's my own Rio rally with all my fans behind me, aka the koi fish.
Oh yeah, touchdown for my first game.
Needing attention. We're in Lumberton, where obviously the devastating flooding is taking place. We're actually on top of a huge vehicle.
What is your number one emoji?
I think mine is the eye roll.
Right.
Busy day, says it lightly.
96 to 110 miles per hour. Look at this image. You can see roof shingles flying off.
Check Fortner. No more snow in the forecast, right?
This is really embarrassing. I wore a yellow skirt to work today.
Oh my, where are your legs?
I don't know. Happy Mother's Day. Hopefully this outdoes everyone else's Facebook post.
In her sweats and no makeup, skipping into the newsroom, giddy as a schoolgirl.
Of some high highs, but low lows.
Brooke is that they are blanketed under the snow with a glaze of taste of some good winter weather. But I don't think winter's here. Let's just reel that in.
How y'all doing? My name's Frank, and I just walk around here. I feed the fish, of course.
It certainly climbed the books. At last check, 5.3 inches fell, which came third for the highest snowfall total ever.
With meteorologist Check Fortner.
Some creepy music to play and dance along, Xavier, but no such luck. Clear and chilly nonetheless.